Hello and welcome to CreatorMath Algebra and Geometry. My name is Nathaniel Rock and I have been teaching high school math since 2001. I have taught all the different math classes as well as other math intervention classes and other business classes. I have an engineering degree, a business degree, and an education degree. I have spent a considerable amount of time exploring the vocabulary of algebra and geometry and include a PDF of my 400 algebra and geometry definitions in the courses. I've also spent time trying to focus students on the most accessible and common topics within algebra and geometry. There are two types of courses that we offer. One is an exam-like multiple choice questions courses which can be used for test study. The other is the video lessons courses, which have instructional videos on the most common topics and questions and PDFs to back up the videos. Make sure to take note of the two types of video lessons, either semester 1 content or semester 2 content. For all of the video lesson courses, we include as a bonus a PDF of all our 400 vocabulary words with short definitions, detailed definitions, and multiple choice sample problems for both Algebra 1 and Geometry. For the average student, the video lessons are the most popular and likely helpful. We definitely hope this helps you on your math journey, and of course, we wish you all of your dreams and success. Thanks for listening.